Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to show you, I'm working on this washing machine. I'm going to wash some clothings. So today we're having these clothings. As you can see, I'm having trousers there, and right now when your machine is switched off, you go ahead and put in the detergents. In our case here we have this here, this side, plus we have our clothings, plus I added some detergent inside. So when you reach here, first of all, what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and turn on the machine. Then you put it in this baby steam care. It's the one that we're going to use. Then when you reach this point, you're going to see the program. So I'm going to click here option, so that I reduce on the time that the machine is going to operate. And if you click it again, to take you to the 2 hours 10 minutes, then I'm going to go back to the 1 hour and a half, 1 hour and 50. So first of all, the machine will turn on, and then to lock it's going to lock. Then when you start the machine, it will go ahead and lock. You see the lock is there. Then to start putting the water in the machine, and after some time you can see the program, it is loading the water into the machine. So you have to make sure your washing machine, the water is turned on. Yes. So this is the program you're going to be using, and this cleans the clothing thoroughly well and to give it the steam that needs to kill all the germs. So in this video, I was trying to show you that this program can work for you very well. So you have other programs that you can use. Plus I showed you how to operate the hours. You can add more hours if you want, if you have very many. So in my case, I'm going to wash this in a few minutes. Then we go ahead and upload our video. Then I will add more clothings. Yes. So I've used all these programs before. I started with this one when we bought the machine. Then I tried this cotton. This one I've not tried it. I tried the mixed one. I tried the quick 15 minutes. I tried this rinse and spin. I've tried all those. Yeah. So this is a 7 kg machine, and I'm going to stop from here so that we can go ahead and wait for the machine to finish the process. So have a nice time. Goodbye. Please subscribe if this video is helpful.